Yes, I'm back again. Back again with a new series of the JSLH Open House. Can you see that? 4th of July. Yes, again, we are doing an open house for the Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities with our eminent Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. C. Raj Kumar on 4th of July. Very interestingly, Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities has been ranked number 1 consecutively for the second year by the QS ranking. And why this is important for all of you to know is because of the fact that every year our curriculum is evolving. The faculty are giving their 110% to the students for the regular updates on their curriculum, their achievements. Our students have been getting internships and placements not only in India but also abroad. The kind of the master's program that they have been admitted to is extraordinary. Now, how will you get to know more about this? I'm not going to give you the details. The details would be given to you by the professors, by the dean, and the vice chancellor himself in the open house. It's an important date because we are conducting our last set of the open house for Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities. And the topic for this particular open house is Liberal Arts in the High-Tech World. And this open house will be taken by none less than Professor Dr. C. Raj Kumar, our founding Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Upasana Mahanta, the Dean of Admissions in the Outreach, and Professor Kathleen Modrowski, the Dean of Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities. Along with them, there will be faculty, students, and the staff of the admissions for the Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities to help you out with a query. So, I invite you to join the open house on 4th of July on our campus in the Performing Arts Studio. My team, along with the faculty and the existing students of Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities, would be there to assist you. So what are you waiting for? Just register and keep us posted. Thank you.